A city logistics living lab is a collaborative approach to tackle urban freight issues. Stakeholders from business, industry and the public sector work together to devise and test ideas to create a more sustainable and healthier future. A living lab starts with a specific problem or challenge and a person or group of people committed to finding a solution. The first step is to build the living lab network by directly contacting known stakeholders and sharing information to the wider public, as well as providing a simple way for anyone to sign up or comment. The next stage is a series of informal meetings or online discussions between the Living Lab participants to share information about current freight operations, agree common objectives and develop new ideas and projects. Projects may run informally or using legally binding contracts. The Living Lab in Southampton grew from the need to address poor air quality in the city centre and along key transport corridors. The lab was instigated by the transport teams at the City Council, the University of Southampton and Meachers Global Logistics, who operate the city's Sustainable Distribution Centre. Initial support and backing came from the Civitas Citylab project and Southampton City Council. The University of Southampton consulted with the major freight generators in the area, hospitals, universities, the Port of Southampton and other large businesses, discussing ways of reducing their carbon footprints. Organisations were offered a free audit of their logistics activities as an incentive to participate. Many were surprised at how much freight transport they generated. Agreed best practice was outlined in an informal memorandum of understanding. A series of scoping studies were then undertaken, for example, consolidating freight to the hospital and university halls at the Sustainable Distribution Centre and encouraging the City Council to use electric vehicles across its service fleets. The next steps were to evaluate the effectiveness of these actions, disseminate the results and replicate the success stories elsewhere. The hope is that city logistics living labs become an accepted way to identify and address common urban freight problems to make our cities healthier places to work and live. For more information, visit our website